Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to run conditional statements in shell scripting on Oracle Linux 8.5. Shell scripts are text files that contains commands for Unix-based operating systems. It is a list of commands in a computer program that is run by the Unix shell, which is a command line interpreter. The different operations executed by shell scripts are program execution, file manipulation, and text printing. First, I am going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Create a script file by using the following command. Make insert. This is the syntax for if statement. If the input is satisfied, then we can get the output or it will exit. So now I am going to add the if statement. Enter a number. Read. This is the if condition. If the condition is satisfied, printf. If the condition is satisfied, then we can get the output as the given number is less than 100. Now save and quit. Now grant permission. Now I'm going to run the script file. Enter a number. I'm going to enter a number below than 100, 85. As you can see, the output is 85 is less than 100. Again, I'm going to run. Now I'm going to give greater than 100. It will quit. Next, I'm going to show you how else statement will work. Create a file with the name of else.script file sh. Make insert. This is the syntax for else condition. If the condition is satisfied, then one output will come. If the condition is not satisfied, the other output will come. Enter a number, read the number. If printf if the given number is less than 100, print the given number less than 100. Else, here we use else statement. If the condition is not satisfied, print greater than 100. Now save and quit. Now grant permission. Now run the else script file. Enter a number. I am going to give below than 100. The condition is satisfied, so the output is 70 is less than 100. Now again I am going to run the command. Now I am going to give greater than 100. As you can see, we have given a number which is greater than 100. So the first condition is not satisfied. So else statement is working properly. Next I'm going to show the use of if elif else statement. Create a script file. Make insert. Multiple conditions with multiple if statements are declared in this example. In the first if statement, the test value is greater than or equal to 90, then it will print grade A plus. Otherwise, it will go for the second condition. If the second condition is satisfied, then it will print grade A. Otherwise, it will go for the third condition. If the third condition is satisfied, then it will print grade B plus, and so on. Now save and quit. Now grant permission for the elif script file. Now run the script file. Now I'm going to enter the mark 95 grade A plus. Again run the command. Enter the mark as 50 grade F. Again run the command. In between 75 grade B plus. Again run the command. 80 grade A. So the conditions are working properly. With this, how to use conditional statements in shell scripting on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.